Welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, do something together today. So it took me, what, about an hour and a half, throw it together, and baked her down. I don't know, I think it turns out okay. That's a 4-layer lasagna. And I don't know, let's have a look, see what it's gonna look like. You ready? What's that? Yummy. Yummy. You should smell it in here. Hey, smells good?
Smells great.
Well, jam is not really giving it justice, like for darkness. Just got a nice buckskin color. Uh, Lasagna.